This video will guide you how to remotely enter the PICO terminal by ADB on a local Windows PC. Firstly, extract the AV2 package and configure the system environment variables. Enter F in CMD and seeing the related commands indicates a successful configuration of T. ADB2 as system environment variables. Secondly, ADB USB remote login. Enter the commands shown in the video in the PC as command prompt. Check the ADB devices and log into the development board by USB. Note: modify the USB device number according to the actual number in the video. Thirdly, ADB or J45 network remote login. Enter commands shown in the video in the PC as command prompt. Use the provided commands in the video to connect ADB to the network IP and check the ADB devices, then log into the development board with ADB network connection. Note: modify the IP address according to the actual IP in the video. Follow me to stay updated on the latest products and tutorials in the electronic embedded industry.